For most scientists, Nibiru is just a myth taken from the tablets within Sumerian reports. However, the evidence is compelling, and not only in the writings of that ancient and wise civilization. There are astronomical indications that can verify that neither virus does exist and that it is getting closer to our planet now. There are many occasions when impressive images are filtered in which the sun is seen to be very bright, but right next to it a gigantic object is also observed. The evidence is irrefutable and no virus is here, right in the vicinity of the sun, very close to Earth. The governments of the world are preparing to finally revealing the truth about Nibiru, preparing the population for doomsday. But what no one expected is that now a NASA study would be released publicly which reveals details about the mysterious planet Nibiru. The study shows that NASA and the United States government have been aware of the existence of the planet Nibiru, and the worst of all is that it could be approaching the Earth with catastrophic consequences for humanity. The recent leaked secret files from NASA reveal that the U.S. Space Agency is aware that the gravitational influence of the planet Nibiru would have interrupted the orbit of the other planets, and that the approach to Earth is imminent. The legendary planet Nibiru is sending waves of charged plasmatic energetic particles to our solar system. NASA, the Pentagon, and the CIA are aware of the approach of the planet Nibiru, and the Vatican is also aware of this valuable information, but they have wanted to hide this imminent apocalypse from the public. According to a report submitted to the Casablanca, estimates that around 2/3 of humanity will be wiped out when the planet Nibiru causes the pole shift on Earth, and another 2/3 of the survivors will perish over the next 6 months due to exposure to various elements. NASA prepared the New Horizon mission 2 years after a study that revealed the existence of the planet Nibiru in 1988. The true mission of the New Horizon was to reach the planet Nibiru, but to avoid collective panic, NASA publicly said that the destination of the space probe was Pluto and the Kuiper Belt. In the 1990s, the U.S. Space Agency pretended to abandon the search for the planet Nibiru, filtering false information about the latest measurements made by the Voyager 2 space probe. But the statements by NASA scientists were a deliberate ruse to cover up the real fate of the New Horizon unmanned space mission. The only ones who will survive the catastrophe that the planet Nibiru will cause as it passes through our planet will be that they are at that moment on Earth, that is to say, in space. Therefore, we should tell all those rich and billionaires who are acquiring land in various isolated places in the world and building authentic underground cities with all the comforts and the latest technologies in the hope that they will be a safe haven when the time comes. Apocalypse that do not waste time or waste money, because precisely they will be the first to perish.